Today, we embark on an adventure that takes us across the globe to discover the fascinating and diverse species of deer. These graceful creatures have captured the hearts of humans for centuries with their elegance and resilience. Our story begins in the enchanting forests of Europe, where the majestic European red deer roams. They are known for their distinctive reddish-brown coats. European red deer are among the largest deer species globally, with males weighing up to 600 pounds. The red deer is the fourth largest extant deer species, behind the moose, elk, and sambar deer. They possess impressive antlers, with some individuals having antlers that can span over a meter wide. They are found throughout Europe, from Spain to Russia, the Caucasus Mountains region, Anatolia, Iran, and even in parts of Asia. It also inhabits the Atlas Mountains of northern Africa. Male red deer is called a stag or hart, and a female is called a hind. They are closely related to the slightly larger American elk, native to North America and northeastern Asia. As we journey across the Atlantic Ocean to North America, we encounter another magnificent deer species, the American elk, also known as wapiti. Although it is currently native to North America and Central Eastern Asia, it had a much wider distribution in the past. American elk are known for their bugling calls, which echo through the valleys during the rutting season, which can be heard from miles away. These massive creatures can weigh up to 1,000 pounds and have impressive antlers that can reach lengths of up to 4 feet and weigh over 40 pounds elk range in forest and forest edge habitat, feeding on grasses, plants, leaves, and bark. Some cultures revere the elk as having spiritual significance. In parts of Asia, antlers and their velvet are used in traditional medicines. Elk are hunted as a game species. Their meat is leaner and higher in protein than beef or chicken. Our adventure continues as we venture into the ancient woodlands of Asia, where we meet the elegant Sika deer. The Sika deer is known for its striking appearance, with white spots on a reddish-brown coat. Particularly during their younger years, they are native to East Asia but have been introduced to various countries around the world. In Japan, they hold a special place in mythology and culture. Sika deer are considered sacred and are even protected as natural monuments. Males commonly weigh about 109 kilograms, 240 pounds, and females weigh 50 kilograms, 110 pounds, with large stags scaling up to 160 kilograms, 350 pounds. Sika deer can be active throughout the day, though in areas with heavy human disturbance, they tend to be nocturnal. Large herds gather in autumn and winter. Males spend most years alone, occasionally forming herds together. Females with fawns only form herds during birthing season. Now, let's turn our attention to the highly adaptable white-tailed deer, one of the most widespread deer species in North America. White-tailed deer are masters of survival, able to thrive in a wide range of habitats. They get their name from the distinctive white underside of their tails, which they flash as a warning signal when alarmed. Texas is home to the most white-tailed deer of any U.S. state or Canadian province. With an estimated population of 5.3 million, white-tailed deer are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during the dawn and dusk hours. An indication of a deer's age is the length of the snout and the color of the coat, with older deer tending to have longer snouts and grayer coats. The white-tailed deer's horizontally slit pupil allows for good night vision and color vision during the day. Whitetails process visual images at a much more rapid rate than humans and are better at detecting motion in low-light conditions. Water deer, native to China and Korea, are unique among deer because they lack visible antlers. Instead, males sport long, canine-like tusks. Water deer are proficient swimmers and can swim several miles to reach remote river islands in South Korea. The animal is thriving due to the extinction of natural predators such as Korean tigers and leopards. Finally, we end our global adventure with the charming roe deer, a small and elegant species native to Europe and Asia. Roe deer are known for their delicate features and graceful movements. They are often found in open woodlands and grassy clearings, where their reddish-brown fur camouflages them beautifully. The roe is a small deer, reddish and gray-brown, and well adapted to cold environments. The species is widespread in Europe, from the Mediterranean to Scandinavia, from Scotland to the Caucasus, and east as far as northern Iran. The roe deer is a relatively small deer, with a body length of 135 centimeters, 3 feet 1 in 4 feet 5 in, throughout its range, and a shoulder height of 67 centimeters, 2 feet 1 in, 2 feet 2 in, and a weight of 1535 kilograms, 3575 pounds. As we wrap up our adventure, remember that deer are not just symbols of beauty and grace, but also important indicators of the health of our forests and natural habitats. It's our responsibility to protect and preserve these incredible creatures for generations to come.